Hey guys, we're not standing in a room today. We're out in nature looking at turtles in the creek today. We're just jumping on stuff.
Protein.
Stop going places. I can't go down there. Why didn't you stay? Jeff, go back down there.
No, you gonna talk to
Jeff, we could go down there to the rocks and get up there and go to Fisher Park.
Yeah, we do. We ain't going to Fisher Park.
Fisher Park is over there, underneath the gate.
Yeah, I know it.
Why can't we go?
We're not going this again. You feel that wind? Well, we out here, man.
Then why you come out here?
I want to go on the nature walk.
No nature walk. A nature walk. Okay. Then we got to go back in the house because there's nothing else to explore. I got down. Stop jumping in places. Oh my God, why'd you jump? Stop jumping. Is that all you do is jump? I can't jump. I can't do it.
Ooh, what is it? Ooh, wait, what's this?
Stop doing it. You so... I can't get... So you're just gonna leave me over here?
You can jump over there.
No, I can't. Okay. I did it. Yeah, I want to go back down there again. Now that I can actually jump somewhere.
Hello?
Jump. Jump. Stop. I can't jump.
Scared.
What else am I supposed to be? I don't be out in the nature like I don't be out in the nature like y'all, okay? Y'all was out in the nature when y'all was little.
Yeah,
I'm not a nature baby. I'm standing on
Come on
water.
here, girl.
I'm standing on water.
Your ass, your feet. Come on.
I'm not ashy.
You gonna try to go up the hard way when you can go right there.
Where?
Right here. You don't see this walkway?
Oh, okay. I'm holding the camera in chips, so of course it's gonna be hard. I'm not a nature baby.
You are not a nature baby.
Nope. I don't be out in the nature like y'all. Stop jumping places! Why do you jump so many places? Why do you do that?
Find where your foot lands. Go.
I can't find where my foot gonna land.
You coming in that water, it's gonna be funny, and I'm gonna be in trouble.
Yep, you're gonna get in trouble. That's the point. Oh, it was...
Getting made.
It's not funny.
Alright, I see it.
We're about to go in a little bit from the nature walk. Yay. Don't you dare! Don't you dare! Can you stop doing it? Catch the magazine. I can't do what you do.
You can't do what I do.
Alright, I'm just about to sit down.
No, don't sit down at all.
Why?
No.
You doing it. See, look, stop doing it. I'm stuck over here. I'm stuck over here, Jeff.
Stuck.
Yes. I could have sworn.
You believe?
Huh?
What, you don't believe?
Nope. I got him.
Oh, you recording?
No.
Yes, you are.
I'm doing vlogs. How you do that? How you do that? How you do that?
Just jump.
Well, I can't jump. But I still want to go down there because it looks fun and I'm going to be closer to the water. I want to go back and do it.
What, jump?
Yeah.
Girl, you can't jump that far. I can barely do it now. I'm getting old.
What you mean you get old? You still doing it, ain't you? How old are you?
Old enough.
How old are you?
Old.
41? 50?
God, no.
70? How you look at a stick like that? No, don't go over the pipe again. Alright, I'm about to come. Here I come. Ooh, more of these. I wish my whole entire family was rich, even me. I wish that homeless people had houses. And I also wish there was no killers in the world. Where turtles at? Where?
You right there?
I don't see it. Oh. Where you go to? Where is he? There's the cute little turtle. He's adorable. He went back down. He swam away. No, don't throw it at it. Don't throw it at him. Don't throw it at him. Don't, why give it a rock.
Get back.
Give it a rock. Stop. No, you gonna kill it.
No,
Yes, you are. You killed it.
No, I didn't hit it.
You killed it. Why you kill a turtle? I can't do it. I walked on the pipe. I still did it anyway. I want to go again.
Girl, come on.
Why can't I go again?
Go ahead.
Yay! I gotta go to the bridge. So guys, this is my nature walk. I'm gonna end the vlog in a few seconds. I'll see you guys tomorrow. New vlog every Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. New vlog those days. I'm not ending it right now. I'm just telling you the information. Now I'm gonna go walk along this pipe again. I had to do all that just to go back to a pipe. Because at the beginning it's funner. Stop doing it. No, stop clapping. You gonna scare the turtles away. Yeah.
You gotta put your belt on.
These pants too little.
Tell your mama, let go.
Huh?
Tell your mama.
Okay. What's that supposed to mean? Wow, how you do that? He super leaped from that rock all the way over here.
Go ahead, girl. Come on here.
From right there. I can't do it no more. I did it. Hold on. Wait. Stop running. Stop running. Stop running. You're so childish.
Ah!
He don't know how to do a camera. Okay.
Get off that ground, girl.
Okay.
Look at her hair, wild and free. Wild and free. It's just wild and free.
How you take control of my vlog?
Wild and free. Yes. Yes. Urban Essence commercial. Here, girl. Here your phone.
It's a vlog, not a commercial. Hey, mommy. We went on a nature walk and we saw turtles.
Fish. I seen frogs.
Huh?
See, I seen fish and frogs.
I seen one frog.
You don't.
Huh?
That was the one I seen. He don't.
There's my mommy. I can't.
Yeah.
Bye. Bye guys, we're gonna end the vlog here.